Today's video is brought to you by ACDELCO LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before ACDELCO LED lighting, and here is some after ACDELCO LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, ACDELCO LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, we are working on the 2007 Chevy Colorado. Don't know if you can hear it, but I will point it out here in a bit. We have a squeaky Serpentine Belt, so we're going to replace that along with the Tensioner Pulley and the idler. So we are taking care of all of that good stuff today, but before we do, you guys know the routine. Come on, go ahead and hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up. All that stuff is super helpful, and it's truly greatly appreciated. Just rolling up to the shop here and run in, open the door. But before we do, let's get a listen to this thing. It's not as bad as it was, mind you. I did spray it down with a little WD yesterday, but she makes a bit of a noise. So we got some new parts. We're gonna go put them in. Let's go get this door open and get started. Alright, so we got the truck in the shop here, and it's not very bright, but what we're going to be doing today is replacing this tensioner pulley down here. It's two-part, or one-part, two wheels. And then we're replacing this pulley right here. We've got a heck of a squeak going on. So the best remedy for that is to replace this belt, which doesn't look terrible, and to get those pulleys because there's bearings there that wear out and things, and it's just a good idea to do all of it at once since you're doing it. So I am going to throw you guys on a tripod and knock this out quick. Alright, boys and girls, so here's the old unit, here is the new unit, and you'll notice this nice square provision right here. It is in both, and what that is for is taking your socket wrench and you put it in that hole, and that is what you use to release the tension on your pulley in order to change the belt. And that's what I did to get the belt off, and that's what we'll do to put the belt on. But I did just want to show you that. It's a nice little GM thing. Don't know if all manufacturers do it or not, but they should. And then you are going to be reusing the bolt from the old one into the new one. So let's go ahead and get that put in. So we got the old one out, and again, we do want to reuse that bolt. You'll see there's this little shield here. That's just pressed in, so press hard with your thumb, it'll come out. And then you want to use all of that. So this is what we're gonna reuse. This is the old one. So we're gonna take our new one and we're gonna throw that guy right in the center and give it a push. Lock her in, free spinning. So let's go ahead and put this in. Alright, boys and girls, we got that stuff all taken care of, and we're gonna give her a fire up here and see if she squeals. So fingers crossed we did our job correctly. It's not a difficult job, it's just a little tight quarters to work in really, and that can be a little problematic. And make sure you have plenty of light. So let's see what happens. Well, I don't hear a squeak anymore. Running smooth. Make sure it's all on track and straight. You don't want it coming off or riding on the edge of something and then creates a rip in it or causes it to break prematurely. So everything looks good, sounds good. Really couldn't be more happy with all that. I do apologize for 1, poor lighting, for 2, the sound, and for 3, I was by myself, so the camera angles kind of suck today. I do apologize for that. You can only do so much when you're still trying to wrench, so I do appreciate you guys making it this far. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.